Hi friends, Christine with Essentially Styled and Lila Rose, and today I am super excited to share with you an opportunity that Lila Rose is putting out there for anyone and everyone who's interested. We are offering a special edition enrollment kit for the month of June in 2023 if you're watching this later. But with that enrollment, you get over $127 for just $49. And so I'm going to share with you in just a moment what all you get in that kit. But I also want to share some of the things that come along that aren't in the kit itself, but come along with the opportunity. And one of those, and the first and probably most awesome thing, is that you get a 30 to 45% discount if you're ordering for yourself, or commission if somebody else orders through your website. So that's crazy. It's one of the highest in the direct sales marketing world as far as commissions go. And it just goes up from there. So you can even get up to 50% off because Lila Rose will often have sales for their stylists. I mean, who does that? So above and beyond your commission and your discount, you can get an additional percentage off through sales. So up to 50%, and we've had some that are even above the 50% off. So that's a great commission if you're working the business and putting that product out there. So that's awesome. And when you or have someone order through your website, did I mention that it's free? There are no fees or charges for our website. It is a great website where customers can order seamlessly, and it's really also another thing that's very rare in direct sales is to not have to pay for the website on a monthly basis. So those in and of themselves are pretty amazing. You also get tons of free training, whether you want to work your business very casually, whether you're looking for the discount just for yourself and gifts for friends and family, or whether you want to work with influencers online or just sell directly online through Facebook and other social media. You can also do shows and events. And if I just have you look around your area, are you used to seeing Lila Rose in the hair of ladies, or you do see mostly claws, scrunchies, and hairbands? These ladies are looking for something like Lila Rose, like you have found maybe in the past. But there is such a huge opportunity with Lila Rose. There are so few of us actually out there selling the accessories in the market. So there's a huge opportunity there for you to grow your business. Even if you have other stylists in your area, the market is great and so far from saturated. So that's another opportunity. So, and you'll also get coaching from myself. I would love to have you join my team. And there are also so many other stylists that are willing to help you with your business. And again, it's not a high pressure thing. We are never going to badger or bark at you for not selling enough. It is up to you. It's your business. You can run it however you'd like. And we are there to support you in however you would choose to do that. So I know you've been waiting to see what's in the specialty enrollment kit. And again, I said it's over $125 for just $49, and you get some amazing products. To start, you get a medium sport, and these are the amazing sports that are flying off the shelves. It's got the attached pin. Has the notches on both sides so that you can collect more hair or less hair depending on the size and the style that you want to use. You also get the extra size, which is a large for really thick hair. So you have one of each size, a blue and they're the turquoise and the white for great summer colors. You also get a flip, which comes in a cute little suede pouch. Now this is actually the medium. You'll get a small, but it is this Misty color, which again is a great summer clip that goes with so much. And it also has the flippable pin with the notches on both sides for various sizing. It is a great option for anyone. Then you also get this adorable extra small, what we call our Paula clip. Again, a great summer clip with kind of the turquoise and the teal beading and the enamel paint in the palm. So that's an extra small. So great clips. You also get one that I don't have here to show you. It's a brand new release with the kit it's called Sandy, and it's a cute little flip-flop in our leather-like look. So it's a very subtle clip, but a fun summer clip that you'll be able to do a lot with the size small. And if you need training on any of the styles or how to use these, just follow my channel for tons. We also have tons of trainings and tutorials on the website itself. So there's no shortage of videos on how to use these amazing accessories. Now you also will get a sample of our Detangler, which I absolutely love. It's a conditioning spray. So even if you don't struggle with tangles, it is awesome for just conditioning your hair and giving it that kind of the softness that we miss so much in the summertime with the dryness. So you also get a sample. And last but definitely not least, it comes with this display bag. Now this is one I have myself that I've been using, and you can just put your items in there and on the go. It's a crossbody, so it's the perfect errand bag, so you can be hands-free, but at the same time you can market your business without even trying, and have something there for someone possibly to purchase or just to look at. You can keep your business supplies in it. But it's branded with the Little Rose polka dots there. It's got multiple pockets inside. It's a great little bag. So this comes all in that same kit. So you get all of those accessories and this bag for just $49. It is a steal. Even if you decide later on that you're not going to be able to sell it, you still have a great deal. If you can maintain that discount throughout the year. If you can sell $200 in personal volume, then you're able to keep that discount the following year. So each year, that's our only quota. We don't even call it a quota because it's so minimal. $200 for an entire year to maintain that 30 to 45%, sometimes beyond that discount. So however you choose to work your business, it's a great opportunity. And again, if you're not able to hit that 200, you have an awesome hair wardrobe for you to do tons of styles with throughout this summer and beyond. So if you have questions, I would love for you to reach out to me. If you're really serious about starting the business and you look around and you don't see the Little Rose accessories in anyone's hair, and you see so many claws and scrunchies and ponytail holders, and you're thinking, this might really do well in my area because ladies are wanting items like this to make their hair care easier. Make sure you reach out to me. We also have an add-on kit for $500 that gives you a ton of inventory to start with. So you could jump in and do a show right away. You could jump in and have ladies come to your home and have parties right away. So that's if you really know that you want to work the business, it's a great add-on that comes with a lot of other perks. So be sure and reach out to me if you're thinking that way before you place your order. That can only be done at the initial time of sign up. But otherwise, the $49 kit through the month of June is available and a great opportunity. I would love to have you join my team. And if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks a lot and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.